all love cheese, and kids especially, they enjoy recipes with cheese in it. So today we're going to do a kids special. This is cheese fried rice. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the cheese fried rice, first I'm going to cook the rice. Pour some water to a pot. Once it comes to a boil, add half teaspoon of salt. To this I'm adding 1 cup washed long grain basmati rice. Cook the rice till it's almost done. The rice is cooked, strain it and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to make the cheese fried rice. For this, take a nice white pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped, half onion finely chopped, 1 green chilli finely chopped, now this is optional, 1 tablespoon finely chopped capsicum, one medium-sized carrot finely chopped, 4 beans finely chopped. You can add any vegetable of your choice for this fried rice. Saute the vegetables for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm going to add half cup of cooked sweet corn and half cup of cooked peas. Now I'm going to add a few spring onion whites that have been finely chopped. Season the vegetables with half teaspoon of salt. Add some freshly crushed pepper. Mix well. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Mix it all together. Now add the cooked long grain rice. Gently mix the rice along with the vegetables. The fried rice looks very colorful with all the vegetables. Now add the cheese cubes. I've cut roughly about 100 grams of processed cheese into small cubes. Add the chopped spring onion greens. Mix everything together. Gently mix it and turn off the stove. You can actually see the cheese melting. The cheese fried rice tastes best when it's hot, so make sure you serve it immediately. So there you go, you can surprise your kids with this delicious and tasty cheese fried rice. I'm sure they've all had this normal fried rice that we all make, but this is definitely different and very tasty. It also makes for a great lunchbox recipe. So do try this recipe and surprise your kids. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frame.